Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have the stainless steel garden hose, a 50-foot kink-free hose. I am replacing a normal PVC hose that kinks very easily, and I'm tired of having to unkink it, untangle it whenever I wrap it up. These are puncture proof, so these should last you many seasons. Tear and crack proof as well. You're not gonna get it cut by nails or thorns in your garden. They are stainless steel, so they're not going to rust easily. And they're animal food. Your dogs or other animals, if they're biting into your hoses, this will prevent that as well. Alright. Another nice thing is it comes with a nice hose sprayer attachment. So let's open that up. It's a nice lime green color. It has a stay on latch as well, and then you can see many different settings on your mist, half vertical center, full flat shower, cone, jet, and soaker, as well as an angle. You can see they included extra washers for installation. There's already a washer in here, but they've included 3 extra washers, and they've included this Teflon tape for the connector onto the hose if you're having issues with that. So let's go ahead and take this out of the sack. Comes zip tied like so. Let's go ahead and take this old hose off of the spout. We're going to use that Teflon tape so we get this nice seal around our spout and we don't have any leaks. As you can see, it's coming loose pretty easily, no tangles here. Attach here. You can see how I'm not having to twist the entire hose as I'm screwing it on. I love that I don't have to twist the entire hose just to put the hose on. As I was with this one, you can see I have to like twist and make kinks in the whole hose just to get it on. I have it on now. Let's go ahead and connect the other side here. Again, you can use Teflon tape on this side as well if you want. I'm going to try to see if I can get away without using it. Okay, let's turn it on here. As you can see, not a single drop of leak around the hose here. And not a single drop of leak around here. Let's go ahead and spray. Let's put it on jet. Alright, nice stream right there. Did you notice how easily the whole hose unwound, even while I'm just pulling on one side? No kinks, no knots, just works. Alright, this is the jet setting. You can see it goes quite far. Alright, we're going to try the soaker. This is the soaker. The angle. Let's go water some plants here. You have the mist. It's pretty good. We can turn this on like this and keep it on. We have the half vertical. We have the center. Full. The flat. The shower. The cone. Cones like the mist actually. And then the jet again. You can see it goes quite far. So yeah, it's definitely a nice hose. Let's go ahead and water some plants and see how it works. So far with this much use, I'm definitely impressed with how ergonomic and easy to use the handle is. It's nice and grippy in the hand, doesn't feel like it's sharp and pinching my finger or anything like that. Works really well, no leaks around here and no leaks around where the hose is attached to the bib, the stainless steel hose. This is what it looks like up close. It's super nice, super high quality. It slides along surfaces, doesn't get tangled or caught on things. Really love it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.